Bro, half of UO security is broken down. That's like amazing to see.
No, she said some Waffle House is closed.
Because that's the Waffle House index. I don't like to hear Waffle House is closed though. Yeah, they're... Oh, left? Okay.
No, they said Friday they'll open up weather permitting, but I
Yeah.
don't know how
Oh, excuse me.
that
Yeah.
will be on Friday.
So they're gonna take down the games. They've moved all the stuff close, which is, I feel like they're gonna have to take those in because that is not the best spot for the little dividers.
No.
They're gonna have to, dude, people are gonna have to come back in early as hell if they're open on Friday.
Yep.
It's like, I mean, if they want a little less space, I will take a Stay Puft Marshmallow Man.
Are they gonna